Today, we're excited to showcase how you can implement your own server-side logic with our new custom server functions feature. Let's dive into the code. In this file, we implement a class named server functions, the heart of our custom server-side logic. Notice how we begin by importing a curated list of allowed packages for security and compatibility. Inside the initializer, we define variables that persist across rounds and function calls. In this example, we initialize a counter to track training rounds and set an initial learning rate. The client selection method enables dynamic selection of clients based on your defined criteria. In our example, we randomly select a subset of 10 clients. Next, the client settings method lets you dynamically send dictionaries containing primitive Python types to clients. In our example, we add a numeric suggestion for a learning rate to the dictionary, which is adjusted every 10 rounds. Through the load metadata function, the client settings dictionary becomes readily accessible within your client's train function. Finally, the aggregate method allows you to plug in your own aggregation algorithms to run your federated learning setup exactly the way you want. This example implements a standard weighted Fed average aggregation, averaging client updates based on the number of examples. Note that you're free to override only the methods you need. Any functions not implemented will automatically default to FEDn standard behavior. Begin by ensuring you have added a seed model, a compute package uploaded or available locally on your clients, and clients connected to Studio. Once that is done and your server functions code is ready, it's time to connect with FEDn Studio. Begin by fetching your API token, easily retrieved from the Studio session page. Continue by adding your API authentication token to your system as an environmental variable. Next, we initialize the API client using our controller's host address, which is available on the same page as the API token. By importing our custom server functions and passing it to the start_session method, we can integrate our logic seamlessly into the federated learning workflow. Switching over to FEDn Studio, we can see our custom server functions in action. The logs section offers detailed insights into the status of our server functions, while also displaying any outputs implemented in our custom code. With just a few simple steps, you've seen how to customize your server-side logic and harness the full power of FEDn Studio. This flexible interface lets you implement custom client selection, dynamically send settings to clients, and integrate advanced aggregation algorithms tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching. Now go innovate and accelerate your federated learning projects with FEDn.